Stop digging through your folders like a maniac, trying to find out what you're searching for endlessly. You'll never have to open every single folder on your system again when using this feature. This is flattened folder mode, one of the many features of Dorian, the file explorer replacement. It takes all your files and folders buried in subfolders and turns them into one list. You can download Dorian for free during the beta at dorianexplorer.com or just click the link in the description. But let's see a few applications of how you can use this feature. So I have pretty limited disk space. My C drive seems to always be full, and what I would usually do to clean up a bit of space is go into the folder, right click every single thing, then wait a bit because the context menu is so slow, then go to properties and then see how large it is, then go to the next one, right click, properties, and repeat. I think you can already imagine how long this could take, especially considering that the C drive usually has hundreds of thousands of folders. So instead what you can now do is go to your C drive and then simply activate flatten folder mode. After it has finished loading, you can already see that I sorted it by size. You can instantly see how users is the one that takes by far the most space. Then afterwards my home drive. You can just keep going like this. Or what you can also do is click on the sorting menu and then make it so that files are sorted first. And then you can already see how the biggest files are like random things like DLC packs, like textures and 3 DLCs or 4 DLCs from GTA 5 taking like 20 gigabytes by themselves, or a random WinRAR archive, like a mod for a game and stuff. Finding this without this feature would take way more time and it wouldn't be as easy and quick and as intuitive as this is. Then the next use case is searching for files. In Windows File Explorer, if you want to search for anything, you basically have two options. The first one is using this search bar, but this is so slow that it doesn't even, this doesn't even count as a feature because it's just so bad. And then the second thing, which most people do, is just clicking and clicking and clicking, opening a bunch of folders, hoping to find it at some point. But it's often the case that the files are located in a place where you wouldn't expect it. Instead, what you can do is, again, use Dorian. And here you have 3 ways to do it. The first one is just like Windows File Explorer, like clicking on random buttons and then just opening things, hoping to find it at some point. The second one is using a dedicated search bar, which is either here on search, or you click Control F. And here you can basically search for anything and it's gonna find it after a while. This is like a global search, right? But the third way is, again, activating flatten folder mode, waiting for a bit until everything loads, and then clicking this little search thing here. This is supposed to search inside a folder usually, but luckily it also doubles as a feature to search for everything within a folder, like basically all the subfolders and stuff, using the flatten folder mode. Like, if I want to find anything among the 400,000 files, you can see there are 3 folders that are named that way among 400,000 files. I mean, I think you can already imagine how long it would take to search for these 3 by yourself. And this already has saved me so much time instead of using Windows File Explorer. This feature alone, even without flatten folder mode, just the ability to look through a folder, not even have to use your mouse and then just type using your keyboard. Really useful. And then afterwards, bulk operations. If you, like me, have your files scattered across multiple folders, you try to be as organized as possible, then doing any kind of bulk operation, like for example deleting, moving or renaming all of them, it's a pain because you have to do it for every single folder individually. But I think you can already see where this is going with flatten folder mode. You activate it and then you can see all of these files instantly and you can do all kinds of operations with them, anything you want. You can select them, right click, and then you can already see delete, multi-file rename, copy them all, cut, duplicate, or compressing them. Compressing files scattered across multiple folders is usually really annoying, or creating a folder, all possible using Dorian. Like for example, we can rename all of them, and then you can already see a multi-file rename scattered across multiple folders. This is something you will, I assume this will never be added to Windows, and most like third-party file explorers can't even do that. let alone renaming multiple files, but flattening them and then viewing them like this. And then, for example, adding like an index or the date they were modified. And then afterwards, finding duplicates, normally you would have to catch a duplicate somewhere and then check yourself whether it's actually a duplicate. And doing that is just so time consuming and annoying that I don't think anybody does it, like I won't. But now, when you flatten your folder, you can very quickly see all the files when you sort them by name, all the files that have a similar or the same name. And if you're in a folder that doesn't have as many like configuration files as like my desktop folder, you can already see how I have, like, for example, this zip.js across multiple folders and projects. And then finally, the fifth use case is browsing all your media. Like if you have a lot of images or videos on your computer from a holiday or a content creator, or you edit videos or a photographer, then you would have usually lots of folders and lots of images, and all your folders sorted in all your images, sorted in these folders. And then finding something specific you need is annoying, because if you don't sort them, then it's already really unorganized. But if you sort them, then finding anything, if your sorting mechanism or sorting philosophy doesn't cover what you're currently searching for, then finding it is going to be annoying, because again, you're going to have to tread through all your folders. But instead, you don't even have to think about that, because you just activate flatten folder mode, and then you click on the fourth button, filter files, and then you click on advanced, and here you can set in few advanced filters with multiple conditions. You can say type and type both are either images or videos. It's important that you set this to any, because all would mean all the conditions have to be true. But if we click any, that just either of them has to be true. And then you can already see in my desktop folder all the 200,000 images and videos are just displayed for me here. And then you can do something like activating grid mode and then looking at them like this. Maybe even making it a bit bigger, or leaving it small and then clicking space to view it in this separate view. You can even separate these two. Imagine looking at all your media like this. I have another use case which is very, very interesting. I really like going to my Steam folder and flattening that in order to look at all the games and what I have. Yeah, and here you can see like all the media and all the assets used in all the games, and this is just really interesting to look at, because usually you would never get a view at your folders like this, because it's mostly like a black box with thousands of folders and you don't even really know where to look. But this, it just opens it up for you to see. And just the setup of having your window split to the other side, looking at all your media like this. Just tell me one file explorer that can do this. That is not Dorian. Dorian acts as a full file explorer replacement. It can do basically everything Windows can, and also 10 times better. If you want, you can set it as your default file explorer too. I have it turned off because this is a development version, so it would break if I turned this on. But on the release version that you can download, you can turn this on, and then it'll basically replace Windows File Explorer forever. If you want this power for yourself, you can download Dorian during the beta for free. Just click the link in the description or go to dorianexplorer.com.